Hello everyone, I'm Irish Ambano, a fourth-year BSBA student in BCI. In this video, I will explore the e-commerce platform to see how it works.
So for this vlog, I choose a Shopee platform. The product that caught my attention is the hair stick because it is affordable, easy to use, and has many positive customer reviews. Shopee platform is easy to use because it has a search bar, product categories, customer reviews, and a shopping cart that makes shopping convenient. It offers different payment options such as cash on delivery or COD, GCash, credit, debit cards, and online banking. For delivery, customers can choose different courier services and track their orders through the app. So as I watch this video in YouTube, I learned that digital marketing or e-commerce is cost-effective and it helps businesses reach more people through online platforms. In this video, it helped me understand that digital marketing or e-commerce is important in business and can reach more customers. The three key insights I gained is digital marketing or e-commerce is cost-effective, it reaches more people, and last is businesses to grow. E-commerce has changed the way people buy and sell by allowing customers to shop anytime and anywhere using the internet. It gives buyers more choices, easier price comparisons, and convenient delivery. One thing I am excited to learn in this course is how to create and manage a successful online business using e-commerce and digital marketing strategies.